Machine learning in healthcare.
Machine learning top benefits in healthcare. Machine learning courses. Machine learning, the life-saving technology that will transform healthcare. The experts in healthcare proclaims that machine learning has incredible influences, remarkable effectiveness in healthcare. Machine learning can help the hospital system identify patients with chronic illnesses that are undiagnosed or misdiagnosed, predict the possibility and present patient-specific preventive interventions. The healthcare sector has long been an early adopter of and benefited greatly from technological advances. These days, machine learning, a subset of artificial intelligence, plays a key role in many health-related realms. Including the development of new medical procedures. Here are some top of the applications and genuine advantages of machine learning in healthcare sector. Identifying diseases and diagnosis. Right drugs discovery. Diagnosis medical imaging. Special and personalized medicine. The smart health records. Best clinical trial and research. Genuine data collection. Disease and outbreak prediction. Smart electronic health recorder. Remote and robotic surgery. Machine learning courses. Want to learn more about machine learning? Tonex offers 2 machine learning courses. Machine Learning Training Bootcamp, 3 days training. Machine Learning for Control Training, 3 days training. Tonex also offers more than 6 dozen other IT and technology courses in nearly 20 areas, including storing technology, mobile app development training, AI training, cloud computing training, big data and analytics and data science, blockchain training. Visit tonex.com for machine learning in healthcare, course and workshop detail.
Machine learning in healthcare.